When dealing with such a question on para summary, it is very important to jot down a few main ideas in the passage. Like for instance, here the passage states that according to statistics, Europe is facing recession, economic recession according to statistics, and this recession has been present in Europe for a long time now, and that it appears to be a never-ending depression, right? So therefore, the summary of the passage should not be limited to presenting only one particular idea, or it should not contain any wrong idea, and at the same whereas the summary should be one that contains all the ideas. So here option A suggests, statistics suggest that Europe has been in recession for a long time and its future also seems bleak, and therefore option A is the correct answer because it contains all the main ideas. Option B states that Europe's economic indicators show that they have been in recession for a long time in the past, but does not give any information about the future. Option C can be eliminated by the fact that it talks about the future only. Europe is facing a recession that does not seem to have an end in sight, but does not talk about Europe having faced this recession for a very long time now. Option B is very general. Europe and Britain and the rest of Europe are struggling, which again, and it does not give any detailed information about the struggle the countries are going through. So therefore option B can also be eliminated.